Have you ever wondered how Koreans achieve that flawless, glass-like skin? Today, I'll share 5 amazing Korean home remedies that you can easily try at home for radiant, glowing skin. Let's get started. Remedy number 1, rice water. This is a centuries-old Korean secret. Soak a cup of rice in water for 30 minutes, strain it, and store the water in a spray bottle. Use it as a toner daily to brighten your skin and reduce pigmentation. It's super easy and effective. Next up is a green tea face mist. Brew some green tea, let it cool, and pour it into a spray bottle. This mist is packed with antioxidants and works wonders to calm irritated skin and keep it hydrated throughout the day. Remedy 3, a honey and lemon brightening mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a few drops of lemon juice. Apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. This mask helps lighten dark spots and adds a natural glow. Now, let's hydrate. Remedy 4 is Aloe Vera Gel. Whether it's fresh aloe or a store-bought one, apply it generously to your face. It hydrates, soothes, and repairs your skin, giving you that plump, dewy look. And lastly, we have a milk and turmeric soak. Add a pinch of turmeric to warm milk, dip a cotton pad, and gently dab it onto your face. This helps even out your skin tone and adds a healthy, natural glow. These 5 simple Korean remedies will transform your skin naturally. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below.